Tuesday, July 2nd, and Dad is smoking fish.
This is my special wood here,
Yeah,
and this is my kindling of stuff.
okay.
And you stand back a little bit. Well, it looks like in there.
Wah, wah.
No, you have to wait for a minute or two. You see how it's turning color already?
Yeah,
We're cooking, eh?
yeah.
Looks pretty good, eh?
So Dad is rewarding himself here after a hectic 6 months and a really hectic last month. And he's been wanting to get at this for a while now, and now that he's got some fish, he's doing some smoking of the fish.
The Frenchman is sure happy about smoking these big jacks.
Yeah, yeah. So that's what Dad's up to right now.
And the temperature is running at, it was at 150.
Okay.
That's but once I open the door, it cools off. Eh?
Yeah.
So we're good to go.
So Dad's got airboat here. He's just waiting on the customer to show up to move it, and then he's got another boat he's got to fix over here. And I can't remember what he's got done there. I think get the engines running or something like that. But he's just taking it easy. It rained all day yesterday, and we got a 4-dog day here. Mila, Yeti, Daisy, Puckatawagan, Garbage Dog, and then Charles is over here somewhere.
Have a look at the garden.
Okay, we'll go check out the garden. So this is Dad's garden here. It's already in full bloom, and mosquitoes galore now that it's rained.
I have to send this around.
Yeah.
You interview me here for a minute.
Okay.
When you retire, Ray, you get yourself a half an acre and you can grow yourself a hell of a nice garden.
Yeah.
It'll keep your mind off of other things.
Yeah. Or you can just come here and help Dad with his. Holy shit, the mosquitoes are thick right now.
Yeah.
Been dry all summer and hot. And this is the most mosquitoes we've had all year so far.
Out of the garden, guys.
But the garden is doing really well, and dogs like gardening.
Potatoes are blooming already.
Yeah. And yeah, so can't imagine he's going to be doing too much gardening today, but
Oh, not with these damn mosquitoes.
no. So that's what Dad's up to.